Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Perceptor channel. In this hands-on session, I am going to show you how you can create a load balancer. Okay, so as a prerequisite, I have already created two EC2 instance which is already having web servers configured in it. I'll move to the load balancing section and I'll create a target group. Okay, I already have created a target group. Let me just delete it and we'll create it again. Click on create target group. We'll select the target type as instances. So EC2 TG is the name of my target group that's I'm gonna give it over here. HTTP 80. Click on next. We'll select both the EC2 instances. Click on pending below. Click on create target group. So now our target group is created. Time to create a load balancer. Click on load balancer. Click on create load balancer. Will be for this particular session, I'm gonna restrict it to application load balancer. Click on create. So EC2 or banking I'll be okay. So this is going to be a, a load balancer. Let's hypothetically think that it's for banking. Okay. Okay, my EC2 instances are in US East 1 and 1C and 1B. Okay, so I'm going to select two availability zones. Remember, guys, you cannot select a single availability zone. Okay, the load balancer has to be configured for multiple availability zones. If you try to create with one, you will get an error. Okay, so I'll remove the default one. I'll select the uh, same group that I have used for the EC2 instance. HTTP. Now this is an important part here. We are kind of routing our request to the target group. Okay, so forward it to EC2 target group. All right. So all done. You can leave the rest of the options. Will be simply click on create load balancer. Okay. Let's wait for a while. All right. So the load balancer is now provisioned and the state is available. Let's try to access this load balancer. So when you navigate to the load balancer details page, when you click on the load balancer name, you will find the DNS name over here. We'll try to open that. Okay. Sorry, it's HTTP, not HTTPS. Yep. As you can see, the load balancer is now available. We'll refresh it. Currently, you see the IP as 172.95.248, like the suffix is 248. Okay, I'll just refresh it. You can see the requests are moving from 189, 180, like it's randomly, right? So this is how a load balancer works probably. Okay, just think of a banking application. Okay, so if we have a single instance, all the requests are going to end up over there. It's gonna create a load on this particular instance. Okay, so that's the reason we are having two uh, instances configured with a load balancer. So I hope you got a concept of how a load balancer works and how you can configure. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thanks for watching this video.